Now, that same question, I'll tell you the trick how to do that. Listen carefully. Okay, so the same question I'll tell you. So here we have Anil and Vishal. Keep the videos on, please. 3:2. Listen carefully. 3:2. This is the old ratio. And who's the next one? Sumit. The new partner. 1 by. Just a second. Okay, 1 by 5. Now, the technique here is, listen, keep the video on. Okay, listen carefully. First, you subtract the denominator 5 minus numerator 1. Okay, denominator minus numerator. Wait, listen. I'll repeat it. That will give you 4. Correct? 4. Now, multiply this 4 with these 2. 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12 is 2. 4 into 2, 8 is 2. Now, the next one is add these 2. 3 plus 2 into numerator 1. That is equal to 5. See, you got the answer, no? 12:8:5. Again, I'll explain it again. Listen again. First, the new partners share 1 by 5. Denominator minus numerator. Denominator 5, numerator 1. That is equal to 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Next step. Step number 2. Multiply 4 into Anil and Vishal. Multiply. 4 into 3 gives 12 is 2. 4 into 2, 8 is 2. Now, the third one is a new partner. Sumit, new partner. For new partner, add Anil and Vishal. 3 plus 2. Into, multiply, into numerator 1. That will give you 5. 3 plus 2, 5 into 1 is 5. So you get the ratio 12:8:5. Do you find it okay? Easy? Better than the earlier one? Earlier what we had to do? Consider the total share as 1. 1 minus 1 by 5 will give you 4 by 5. Then 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. 4 by 5 into 2 by 5. All that. This is comparatively easy. I feel so. Shall we try more? You can go for any method, whichever is convenient for you. But this I think is easier. That's why I said. Okay. Do it and tell me quickly. A, B, old partners. Ratio is 2:3. C is the new partner. Okay. New partner. And the ratio, the share is 1 by 3. Do it fast. Yes, how much, Aparna?
Ma'am, is it 4:6:5?
Very good. Yes. 4:6:5. Correct? Everybody got? I'll explain again. 3 minus 1 gives 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5 into 1, 5. 4:6:5. Perfect? Okay, then take one more. 2:5. Old partners, 2:5. 2:5. Then 1/4. Yes, Irfan, got the answer? Yes. How much is the answer, Anjo?
6:15:7.
6. Sorry, louder.
6:15:7.
Yes. 6:15:7. 6:15:7. Got the answer? Everyone? No, Shubham, you didn't get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Atul, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
Okay, good, good, good. Three is to 1. Old partners 3:1. New partner 1/7. Next question, 2:3. New partner 2/7. Shubham, mute. Irfan, got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
2:3:2.
Which one?
This one. Last one.
Last one? 2:3:2. Correct. And how about the earlier one?
6:15:7. Hello. Okay. I didn't do that.
Okay, do it. Anila, you got this? 3:1?
Ma'am, is it 9:3:2?
Correct. 9:3:2. So, okay, no? This kind of question is okay now? Okay. Now, let us start doing the numerical questions. 167. We have 12 questions. Start doing. So, how do you feel this method? Is it confusing or easy? The first question, A and B were partners sharing 3:2, and they admit C for 1/6. You can go for this technique and get the answer. Three is to 2, 1/6. Got the first answer? Aditya? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into 3, 15 is 2. 2 into 5, 10 is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. You get 15 is to 10 is to 5. You can again cut it. Bring it to the simplest form. So 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Now go for the next one. ABC. There are 3 partners. They were sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. Keep the videos on. Then they admitted D for 10% profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. 10% profits. 10% means it is 10/100. Cut out the 0. So it becomes 1/10. So can you apply the same technique here? Is it possible? Yes. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 3, 27 is 2. 9 into 2, 18 is 2. 1 into 9, 9. Then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. All this goes in the table of 3. So 9 is to 6 is to 3 is to 2. Yes, Irfan? Is there anyone who haven't got this question number 2? Did everyone get this question number 2? Yes. Okay, go for 3 then. Yes, one of you will explain this question. Anyone? Question number 3. Anjo, will you explain question number 3? No? Not confident? Ah, it's okay. If you're not confident, no need. Who can explain question number 3? Forgot? Should I explain? Yes? Yes, Irfan? No. Then I won't explain. Okay. Okay, I'm not wasting time. I'll tell you. Listen, those who don't know, please listen. So we have two partners already, X and Y. Listen, everyone. 5:3 is the ratio, correct? 5:3. Okay. Now there is new partner Z. Z is admitted for 1/10 share, okay? 1/10 share, which he acquired equally from X and Y. So this 1/10, he got it equally from X and Y. Yeah? So 1/10 into 1/2 belongs to X. And 1/10 into 1/2 belongs to Y. So this 1/10 share of Z comprises of half from X, half from Y. Okay, so how much belongs to X? 1/10 into 1/2. That is 1/20 belongs to X. And 1/20 is from Y. Okay. That means X, let us talk about X only. From X share, how much is X old share? 5/8. From 5/8, X has given 1/2 to Z. No? Confusing? Wait, again, once again. See, listen. Z share is 1/10. How did this Z get this 1/10? X has given half, Y has given half. Okay? How much is this half? 1/10 into 1/2 is taken from X. 1/10 Z's share into 1/2 is taken from Y. Okay? Okay. So how much is this? 1/10 into 1/2 means it is 1/20. Again, Y, 1/20. This much is 1/20 is given by X to Z. Y also gave same to Z. Now, our task is to find the new ratio of all of them. Okay. So what is the new ratio of X? Talk about X only. What is the old share? 5/8. From this 5/8, 1/20 is given to Z. 5/8 minus 1/20. That is the new share of X. Similarly, Y, 3/8 minus 1/20. Okay. Is it clear now? Now do the calculation and tell me the answer. That is the part where you go wrong. Calculation. What is the LCM you got for the first one? How much is that, Aparna?
Ma'am, 160.
Oh, you multiplied it. Okay. 8 into 20 you did.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. You can also do like this. Four into two, eight, eight. That is all up to you. You can go for any of the methods. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 40. 8 into 5, 40, 5 into 5, 25, minus 20 into 2, 40, 1 into 2, 2. So 23 by 40. Okay. Similarly, do the next one. So the ratio will be, the answer is 23 by 40. Now the next one again, LCM is 40. 8 into 5, 40. 3 into 5, 15. Minus 2. That is equal to 13 by 40. So 23 by 40 is to 13 by 40 is to 1 by 10. Bring the denominator same into 4 into 4. So it becomes 23 is to 13 is to 4. Yes. Those who have completed 3, go for 4. Question number 4. Or wait. Started with 4. I'll give you one more question. Additional question. Same. Not there in the textbook. Okay. PQ. 4 is to 3. R. New partner gets 1 by 7 equally. Equally. Same question. Equally from P and Q. Do it. Give me the answer in the chat box. If there is anybody who haven't understood yet, please raise your hand. I will explain again. And I have a suggestion. You can write it down in sentences, statements. Each step you explain it in your own words and write. Do the problem. So that later on also, when you come back to this question, you understand how did you arrive at this answer. Either in Malayalam or English or Hindi, whichever language you are comfortable with, write it in detail. 1/7 is the share of R. This 1/7 includes 1/2 from P and 1/2 from Q. Correct? It is equally received from P and Q. So 1/2, 1/7 into 1/2. 1/14 is given by P from his share. I'll help you to do this. Next problem, you do it alone. Okay? 1/14 is given by P from his share. And again, 1/7 into 1/2 because it is equal. 1/14 is given by Q also from his share. Correct? Okay. So, what is the new share? New share of P and Q. New share of P, that is equal to old share minus sacrifice. Why? This is the sacrifice. 1/14 is given. Okay. So how much is the old share? 4/7 minus 1/14. Same way, Q. Old share is 3/7 minus 1/14. Now solve this. How will you solve it? That is the task. Find out the LCM. 7, 14. In which table will it go? 7, 1, 7, 2, 2, 7, 14. Yes, Anila, answer is right. Shubham, somewhere something wrong. Okay, so 7 into 2, 14 is the LCM. So 14. 7 into 2, 14. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 14 into 1, 14. 1 into 1, 1. 7/14. That is the first one. Again, the next LCM 14. 7 into 2, 14. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 14 into 1, 14. 1 into 1, 1. So 5/14. Okay. Now come to the last part. How much is it? 7/14 is 2. 5/14 is 2. How much is that? R 1/7. Okay. Make the denominators equal. How do you make it equal? Multiply it by 2. So you get 7:5:2. This is the answer. Yes, do you want to see the screen again? Any part? Is it okay? Yes, Irfan. Yes, I just saw your answer now. Okay, so let's do again one more. So now you have the step. Yeah. Oh God. Two partners. This do it alone. R and S. Okay. 3:2. New partner T. T 1/8. Equally from R and S. Equally. Do it. Quickly give me the answer. Yes, Anila, right answer. Yes, Irfan, right answer. Basil, are you doing it? Yes, Karthik, right answer. Fast, fast. Yes, Aparna. Yes, Hannah, right. Where is Shubham's and Basil's answer? I'm not finding it. Ah, okay. I got it, Basil. Good. Right. Aditya, Femina, correct, correct, correct. So, okay with this now? Yeah, Shubham, correct. Okay. This question is okay. One more. Do you want one more?
Yes, ma'am.
One more. Last one. The same type, last one. A and B, old partners, 3:2. I wind up with this. Do this also. A and B, 3:2. Then C is admitted for 1/3. And it is received equally. Same question. Finish. Correct. Shubham, very good. Correct answer. Shubham was very hungry, I guess. He just want to finish it off and have lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anila, right answer. Aparna. The middle figure is wrong. Yes, Karthik, right. Okay, I wind up the session. See you in the next class. No, Aditya dear, it's wrong. Hannah, right. The answer is 13:2. Femina, wrong. Check, check. 13:7:10. That is the answer. Okay? 13:7:10. Atul, I didn't get any of your answers. Okay, I wind up. See you in the next class. Thank you.